Does your little one spend more time staring at screens when grandma or grandpa babysits? What if grandma's babysitting can turn from screen time battles to bonding moments instead? Stick around. This University of Arizona study shows you how. We all cherish the extra help when grandparents babysit, but screen time can sneak in like a stealthy heist, leaving you wondering what your child is really up to. The University of Arizona team wanted to dig deeper. How big is the screen time takeover, and how can we turn that covert operation into shared joy? Researchers at the University of Arizona asked 350 grandparents about screen use, mediation styles, tech confidence, and family disagreements. Here's the eye-opener. During an average 7-hour visit, children spent about 3 hours, 43%, on screens with their grandparents. Tech-savvy grandparents talked through content 22% more, while those who saw screens as mostly bad had 30% more family conflicts. Here are 5 quick ways to flip the script. 1. Create a screen time game plan together. Sip coffee, set friendly limits like 30-minute cartoons, then puzzle time, and keep everyone on the same page. 2nd, turn screens into talk time. Pause the show to ask questions. Why is that character sad? And link it to real life. Even 5 minutes of co-viewing boosts language and self-control. 3. Boost tech confidence together. Teach grandparents to use timers and kid-safe settings so they feel in control, and conflict goes down. 4. Focus on discussion, not just restriction. Swap flat no for quick chats about what they watched. Instructional talk guides, healthy use without drama. 5. Celebrate shared moments. Use a sticker chart when grandparents and grandkids co-view and discuss together. Fun rewards turn rules into a game. Ready to turn screen time into together time? Check the description for the full study link and hit subscribe for more research-backed parenting tips, because every moment you share builds stronger bonds tomorrow.